Hello my dear students and welcome to my Easy Maths class. Today's topic under time and work. First, go through the problem very carefully. What is given? Here it is given two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 20 minutes and 30 minutes respectively. Okay. Both the pipes are opened together when the tank is empty. Right. After some time A is stopped, that is B continued, and the entire tank is filled in 18 minutes at all. Okay. So total time taken to fill the tank is 18 minutes. Question is, when was A stopped? Right. So initially both the pipe opened, and then after certain time the tap A stopped, right? And then the remaining part was filled by tap B. Total time taken is 18 minutes. Then we have to find out in what time A stopped. That is how long A worked, isn't it? Let A worked for X minutes. Okay, it means after X minutes A stopped, right? And according to question, and B worked for (18 minutes). Okay, because both A and B started together, and then after X minutes A stopped. So A worked for X minutes and B worked for 18 minutes, right? All of you know that since A can fill the tank in 20 minutes, in 1 minute A can fill 1/20 part, isn't it? Therefore, in X minutes A can fill X/20 part of tank. Okay, and in 18 minutes B can fill 18/30 part of tank. Okay, so by the problem we can say, because ultimately the entire tank filled up, X/20 plus 18/30 is equal to 1, or we can say X/20 is equal to 1 minus 18/30, that is 1 minus 3/5, that is 2/5. Therefore X is equal to 2/5 into 20, that is 8. So it has been found that after 8 minutes the tap A stopped. Therefore after 8 minutes A stopped. Okay, and this will be your answer. Right. So individually it has been found how long A worked, how long B worked, and then how much part of tank was filled up by them. Ultimately total tank means one part, right? Then do the calculation. Okay, very interesting problem. Okay, I will be back soon with another problem. Here is another problem. Two taps A and B can fill a tank in 25 minutes together, right? If only tap B is opened for last 10 minutes, the tank is filled in 30 minutes. Find the time in which tap A alone can fill it. First you have to go through the problem very carefully and then see what is given. Two taps together can fill the tank in 25 minutes, A and B, right? And B is open for last 10 minutes and the entire time taken is 30 minutes to fill the tank. So what does it mean? Out of 30 minutes, tap B worked for last 10 minutes alone and tap AB worked for 20 minutes, isn't it? Now we can write like this. According to question, total time is 30 minutes. Tap A and B opened for 20 minutes. Okay. And tap B open for last 10 minutes. 10 minutes alone. Okay. Now, since it is found that A and B together can fill the tank in 25 minutes, right? Therefore, A and B in 1 minute can fill 1/25 part. Therefore, A and B in 20 minutes can fill 20/25, that is 4/5 part. Okay, 4/5 part, right? So remaining part is filled by B alone, isn't it? Therefore, B alone can fill 1 minus 4/5, that is 1/5 part in 10 minutes. Okay. So B alone can fill 1/5 part in 10 minutes. Right. Therefore, B alone can fill one part, that is full, in 10 into 5, that is 50 minutes. right? So we have found how long B will take to fill the tank, which is 50 minutes. Just see what we have to find out. Find the time in which tap A alone can fill it. Already it has been given that A and B together can fill it in 25 minutes. Therefore, in 1 minute, A and B can fill 1 by 25 part, and in 1 minute B alone can fill 1 by 50 part. Therefore, in 1 minute A alone can fill 1 by 25 minus 1 by 50, that is 1 by 50 part. Therefore, A alone can fill the tank in 50 minutes. A alone can fill the tank in 50 minutes, and this will be our answer. Okay? So try to understand what happened here. A alone can fill the tank in 50 minutes. Initially what happened? Initially A and B worked for, that is open for 20 minutes. In 20 minutes they can fill 4/5 part, isn't it? They can fill to 4/5 part, right? Then for last 10 minutes B was alone, that is B was open for, tap B was open for last 10 minutes. So B alone can fill 1/5 part in 10 minutes. So total tank, for filling up total tank, B takes 50 minutes. Now the question is, already it has been found that A and B in 1 minute can fill 1 by 25th part and B in 1 by 50 part. So A alone can fill in 1 minute 1 by 50 part, that is total time is 50 minutes. Okay. So all these problems are very, very interesting, isn't it? So please go through these problems and do one thing while doing these sort of problems. Very carefully go through the problem and find out what is given, what data have been given, and what to find out. Right, then chalk out your plan, how to do it. Already number of problems have been shown, so I think you will be confident enough and you will try your best to solve any short of time and work related problems. Till then, goodbye.